Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, I'm ecstatic. The electrician picked up all the stuff for our upgrade, the solar panels, and he put them all in the new building that Bobby built for him, and I'm going to get unpacking this for him because he's going to charge $90 an hour to do this. And I'm anxious to see what all is here. So I'm going to set up a table and I'm going to unbox all this stuff for him. I'm going to keep the boxes in case something's wrong and he has to put it back in the box. But let's look and see what all is here. Okay, the first thing is from Schneider Electric. And it says it's a distribution panel. So let's see. Oh, and I just want to tell you, this is like $6,000 sitting here. Yikes. But we needed it. Okay, so this is box number 1. It is just a big thingy with a on-off, I guess. So I'd say by the looks of this, this is just your main breaker that shuts power off, which we never had before. Okay, box number 2. This is my MPPT 60. Let's see what is inside. Okay, box number 2. This is the charge controller. And big box number 3 is our alternating current switch gear. Distribution panel. So this big sucker just looks like a fuse panel to me. Here we have 3 30 amp breakers. AC in, AC out, and bypass. Interesting. And this one's from Midnight Solar. 3-string combiner. Made in the USA. Yay! Not overseas. And this little thing just has breakers in it too. Lots of safety features. Wow, this is another big box. This one's from Schneider Electric. And I would say it's the inverter charger. Made in India. So this one's staying in the box because I took everything out except the inverter. I can't even pull it out of the box, so he can do that one. This one's by Schneider again, and it's the automatic generator start. No more waiting until the alarm goes off and then starting the generator. This baby is supposed to say when the batteries are getting low, and it will automatically start the generator. Now we ordered a Honda generator, and we had to get a hardwire kit for it so that it is compatible with this. So, and that hardwire kit was, I think, $570 for the generator. And yeah, so no more walking out in the dark to turn on the generator. So that's what the automatic gen start looks like. Just a nice little box. Power up, generator on, network, and float. And a whole bunch of wires. Yikes. So in box number 7, again from Schneider's, we have a Connex system control panel. Lots of things I didn't know we needed. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Interesting. I think this is box number 8 now from Midnight Solar. A 3-string combiner. Made in the USA. Okay, so we already had one of those, and now we have 2. So I'm presuming it's because we have 2 separate arrays. So, possibly? Okay, so I lost count, but next package is a panel mount DC circuit breaker, which is this big ass thing here. I'd say that's like a main breaker. Set that there. Yay, I'm on the last box. This is from Snyder's again. Battery monitor. Gee, what? Ugh. I wonder if it will let me know what is in the batteries. You'll think? Okay, so that's what that looks like. Battery monitor quick start guide. Yeah. Gosh, am I gonna have to know something to run this, or is it gonna run itself? So that's everything. Yikesers. Maybe we didn't build a big enough room here. Because that's all got to go on the walls. Bobby's got the two of these. One going to one solar array, one going to another solar array, and then one coming from here and going in a trench and then up the wall of the house and into the panel box. So there will be no back feeding of wires. They'll be hooked up properly. Isn't that a neat concept? Anywho, can't wait.